Welcome, in front of me I have Redmi Note 14s and today I'm gonna show you best tricks for beginners on this device. So let's kick things off with a super useful beginner trick, and that is customizing your control panel. You know that menu that drops down when you swipe from the top right to the down. As you can see, I opened the control center. By default you get the basic Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, torch, etc. But you can rearrange and add more toggles. Here I show you how to do it. You have to open this menu, of course, scroll down a little bit, and here we have edit button. Now this is perfect for making the control center your own. If you use mobile hotspot often, put it on the top row. If you never use Bluetooth, just remove it. Just do whatever you want with these shortcuts. For example, I don't want to use do not disturb mode. I can remove it. Of course, quick share of 2. I can add the location, lock screen, move the shortcuts in order I want to use it, and then just tap here to save the changes. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your phone speed of use and feel more in control from day one. So I prefer to do it at first you buy this smartphone. Okay, so trick number 2, and this one is perfect for beginners who don't want to miss the moment. Let's talk about quick launching the camera, even when your phone is locked. When your screen is off or locked, just double press the volume down and then the camera will be turned on automatically, but you have to make sure that this option is on. To do it, open the settings, then move to the lock screen part, and at the bottom you can see launch camera. You have to turn on this option, then lock your device, and by double pressing the volume down you can launch the camera quickly and capture anything you want within a second. So it's very useful and easy with usage. Now move to the third and last trick, which will be enabling battery percentage and status bar tweaks. Let's help you keep better track of your battery, data usage and notifications. You are driving into the status bar. By default you don't see the battery percentage. You also might be missing network speed or notification icons. Here I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So at first you have to open once more the settings, and here tap on the notifications and status bar, then go to the battery indicator here, and we have 3 different options. We can use a percentage which is on the battery icon, but I prefer to use this one to show exact percentage in the corner. You can also open the show connection speed, I mean turn it on. You can see the speed of your network, which is very useful and very helpful in any case. So that would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!